If you ever need to send your Samsung phone away to a service center, to a technician, or you need to leave it with someone to use for a short period, of course, you're signed into your Gmail, you're signed into all manner of accounts, and you don't want to disable all of that. Samsung has a feature called maintenance mode. Once you put your phone in maintenance mode, it pretty much locks away all your data settings and gives you a second space, so to speak, where you're not logged into any of your accounts and anyone can play around with the phone, fix issues with the phone without invading your privacy. What you need to do is put your phone in maintenance mode for situations like that. How do you do that? Go to your settings app, tap the search button, the search icon, and type maintenance mode. There it is under device care. Tap on it. There's a lot of information up here, but if you scroll down, you'll see this that says maintenance mode, protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. Tap on it. And here is the long story. Only pre-installed apps are available while you're in maintenance mode, so any third-party apps installed are not there. The user or whoever it is that's handling the phone can install third-party apps while using it. The only issue is that once they are done, those third-party apps will be uninstalled. You need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. So pretty much it's your phone's security, your phone's lock screen password or whatever that you need to turn on and turn off maintenance mode. What happens when you turn off maintenance mode? Everything will go back to the way it was when maintenance mode was first turned on. Nothing will be saved that happens while maintenance mode is on, blah, blah, blah. Back up your data just in case. Long story short, tap this. If your phone has issues, you can create a log. You can enable this to create a log so that Samsung and engineers will be able to use that. If you don't need it, for example, if you're just handing your phone over to someone to use for a period of time, you can uncheck that and click restart. And then it will ask for your current PIN, which I've typed in now. Click that and switch into maintenance mode. Your phone will restart soon. Switch into maintenance mode now that it's restarted. And there it is. It looks different. The wallpaper is different, of course, because all your personal customizations have been put aside, put in a locker, in a safe space. You get something closer to the default wallpaper, default settings of the phone. You can customize it to remove apps, remove home screens, play around with it as you want, but you're not logged into anything. Gmail. This is how Gmail looks when you just buy a new device. You're not logged into anything. Play Store, whoever is using it has to sign in. Gallery, all pictures and videos that you had on your phone, still there, but locked away. Contacts, all gone. Your private information, private data has been locked away. And you'll see this notice here saying maintenance mode. Google messages, all my SMS, they are all hidden away. I keep wanting to say they are all gone. They are not gone. They are hidden away. So this is it. This is how to turn your phone into maintenance mode. Being a curious person, I also wanted to be sure what would happen if you were to turn off this phone while it's in maintenance mode. So here goes. Restart. Of course, I expect that it will boot up back into maintenance mode. And the only time when it will actually attempt to leave maintenance mode is if you actually go to exit that mode. But let's see just to confirm. Because sometimes while the technician is fixing your phone, they do need to restart it. They've fixed something, they need to restart in order to confirm that it works fine. Yes, it should boot back up into maintenance mode without any issues. Yep, switches to maintenance mode. Great. It definitely switches back to maintenance mode. The only way to exit maintenance mode is to manually exit it. The next question is, haven't turned on maintenance mode and your phone is back, how do you turn it off? You can swipe down from your drop down menu and then tap on this notice here to do that. Or you can take a longer route through the settings app, similar to the way you turned it on. Go to the settings of the phone, hit the search button and type maintenance mode. There it is. Tap on that. If you scroll down, you see that notice that says maintenance mode. Your phone is in maintenance mode. You need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. When you do, everything will go back to the way it was when maintenance mode was first turned on. Changes made while maintenance mode is on, such as downloaded data, installed apps or settings, aren't saved. So the summary is that anything that you do with your phone while in maintenance mode is not saved once you exit. So if you go to the bottom here, you see exit, tap on the exit button. Your phone needs to restart to exit maintenance mode. Restart, and then it's going to ask for my PIN, which I am going to type off screen. And then continue. And the phone restarts. And voila, it's back to what my phone was before I put it in maintenance mode. It's back to normal. Everything working fine. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Do like the video. Do share it. Thanks for following my channel. I look forward to seeing you when next I publish another video.